About soundproofing, yeah, you might want to try doing that. Use white noise, fans, music to mask sounds if you are concerned about being overheard within the campground. If your rig is a rockin' and the whole campground can hear it, you're not just making memories, you're making complaints too. You want to keep that down to a minimum. Soundproof your RV the best you can, because the last thing anybody wants is their kids asking, "Mommy, why is that camper making dolphin noises?" Like, you don't want to do that.